Alright, it's recording now. Everyone pollutes to a certain extent, but some pollute more than is necessary. These people do not only pollute the world in which we live, they also pollute themselves. Alright, hello there, this is Mr. Blubberbutter. This is, the sound of murder. I don't know what does that mean? What they're talking about? Like, people throwing things away? They're talking about, like, smoking or something? I don't know. That was a very ambiguous and weird intro, so we're gonna see what this looks like. Hey, probably mental. Mental? Well, he's crazy of some sort if he's gonna kill people from pollution. I think. Smoking. Okay, so it was smoking. Okay. So I kill people because they smoke. I'm a douche. If you will attempt at resolve, but death is the only true solution. I happen to know certain family members who have quit smoking, so... But I personally never did and don't plan on smoking. I don't think I'm supposed to here. Oh, I'm not. She's not supposed to see me. What then? I don't have the option not to. Can I click on something? I can't. What am I supposed to do? There are no other controls. Besides, this guy, I mean, he's a psychopath, obviously, but he doesn't seem to be killing for no reason. Okay, is there a button I wasn't given any controls. Enter, shift, maybe controls, and it's only right and left. Only right and left, yeah. Maybe if you wait. Wait for what? Oh. What happens if I get her? Okay, so she just ran away. I guess I had to wait. Exercise some patience. So it's like a stealth game, only not. I was lagging a little bit there. No longer will they destroy both their own lives and the lives of others. Oh, speed smoking. Oh, I got to see. Why is that? If I'm gonna kill him, why does it matter if he sees me? Wow, my hand went all the way through him. This guy has one. Butter. Okay. Alright, at least here we're getting some tactical stuff. I have to turn off the lights and someone else is going to go away so they don't see. Oh, no. Apparently he just stands still when the lights are off. Get me up there. No! I want to go up with you. My brother. What? Oh? Oh, so he knew the guy got murdered. Okay. This game is... It's interesting, to say the least, but, Another side. Yeah, we're on a roll with these psychopath things right now. Oh, I can't go with it. Which way is he going? He's going that way. He wasn't a smoker. Oh, man. So I had to wait more. I'm sorry about this. This is... I mean, it's not a typical stealth game. Typically, I enjoy stealth games, and they're some of my favorites, but... This is a little different. This is very, very minimalistic and interesting, although I wouldn't say it was necessarily a great game. Well, let's see how this goes. Turn on the lights and then what? I wait for him to go back down there to go check on the guy. Oh, he's going back down. What happens when he finds out the guy's dead? I wanted to see that. Oh, great! I lost my chance. Oh no, he ran away. Okay. I can go now. Like if they had a, like, trying not to get seen by police. I spoke too soon. Okay! I'm really sorry about this. I'm not this bad at games normally.
You want to run?
Yeah, I guess. I was just curious. I guess curiosity, in this case, it's quite detrimental. No, I don't think I could have made that.
Yeah, because he turns around.
turns around here too, doesn't he?
I do.
Okay. Now he sees the guy's dead. I need to run. Oh, man. Oh, okay, so he alerts the cop who goes and runs over there. So I can go. This is all very convenient. The only right is the right to die. Wow, really? This guy's a douche.
Sounds logical.
Well, it sounds logical if he's talking to, like, people who are rapists or something, like smokers. I mean, even, I am not in any way condoning someone to go out and kill anybody who, like, I'm not encouraging vigilantism. Is that a word? Dude, fine. Was that supposed to be easy? I feel like I missed something there. There must have been a puzzle there, like maybe I wasn't supposed to hit him that early or something. Will he see me? Oh! Okay. Was that supposed to happen? I don't know. That's it. That's over. Wow.
That was actually a pretty stupid storyline.
Yeah. I think this was one of those Ludum Dare games, or I think I'm pronouncing that right. One of those ones that are made in 48 hours or less. Hey there, sorry about that. The game crashed, but yeah, our final thoughts on the game. It's a neat little game. It's honestly kind of like a Flash game, so I don't know why I downloaded it. Really short. Honestly, kind of ridiculous. Ben and I both thought it rather humorous.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you want some comedy, go ahead and download it. The game itself is, it's okay. It's a cute little Flash game style thing. So if you want to give it a try, go ahead. The link's down in the description. Yes. Till next time. We'll see ya. Bye.